We really need a cozy space to do a lot of family activities together. Hi everyone, my name is Lukman and welcome to my house. Basically a solution to refresh the house with someone who can turn this house into a modern, simplistic design. The family loves to spend their time in the living room. The idea bringing out good design that we can go with, some good colors, space. I also love a master bedroom because we want to transform space to something that resembles our lifestyle. More characteristic of a hotel room is what we're looking forward to. We have such a long line of LEDs on the ceiling that is simple in terms of our lighting, but at the same time it brings that class, that everything is kind of like built in. A few things that we found out of this journey here is the fluted wall. There's distinguished look to the house. We also like is the bronze mirrors. I never knew that this even exists. Bronze mirror really elevate that look. This renovation provides a lot of storage for us. Whenever we have last-minute call that people are coming to our house, so it doesn't take as much time to put things into hidden storage. It's more important in life rather than spending too much time doing a lot of this thing. I certainly recommend Klaas design to other fellow homeowners who are looking for conscious solutions to turn their house into a good design. Very eager to help with your renovation process. They provide practical solutions.
Stand by me, stand by.